If you're looking to automate your data collection and streamline your sales process, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to automate data collection with Salesflare, a CRM tool that not only simplifies managing leads, but also helps you gather valuable insights automatically. Stay with me till the end, and I'll share how you can try this tool for free, along with some exclusive bonuses to help you get started. Salesflare is an intelligent CRM that integrates directly with your email, calendar, and social media profiles to automatically collect data. Instead of manually entering contact details, Salesflare does the heavy lifting for you. It automatically tracks emails, meetings, and social interactions, meaning that you get a clean, up-to-date database of your contacts without lifting a finger. To start automating your data collection with Salesflare, simply sync your email and calendar accounts. The system will then pull in all the information it needs from these sources, like email exchanges, meeting times, and even follow-up reminders. What's impressive is that Salesflare's AI can automatically categorize and tag contacts, so no data goes overlooked. This is a huge time saver for anyone managing a large list of leads or clients. Now let's talk about automation. Salesflare doesn't just store the data, it acts on it. It can automatically trigger workflows based on contact activity, so when a client shows interest or takes action, you can set up an automated response. Whether it's an email or task reminder, the software keeps everything running smoothly without you having to manage every detail manually. Another key feature is the automatic data enrichment. With Salesflare, you don't have to search for contact info manually. When you add a new lead, the tool fetches public information from social media and company websites to complete their profile. This ensures you're always working with the most accurate and complete data. For those who need insights, Salesflare provides detailed analytics about how your sales efforts are performing. From pipeline stages to win rates, you can monitor your success with real-time reports. It also tracks how your emails are performing, open rates, click-throughs, and more, so you can make data-driven decisions. What makes Salesflare stand out is that it doesn't just give you the data, it gives you the insights that matter. It helps you stay organized by automatically sorting your contacts into groups based on their interactions with you. So if you're working with several different clients or leads, you won't need to dig through a mess of information to find what you need. For those of you who are managing a team, Salesflare's collaboration features let you assign tasks, share notes, and keep everyone in the loop. Plus, its integration with tools like Slack and Google Drive makes it easy for teams to work together in real time. This can be a game changer if you're running a business with multiple people on the sales team. Now, here's something that makes Salesflare unique: its simplicity. Unlike other CRMs, it's not overloaded with unnecessary features. Everything is intuitive, making it easier for anyone to get up and running without a steep learning curve. And if you're interested in automating data collection with Salesflare, there's no better time than now. Use the first link in the description below to get access to a free trial with exclusive bonuses that you won't find elsewhere. You can start streamlining your sales process today. No hidden costs, no commitments. So, if you want a CRM that saves you time, gives you powerful insights, and lets you automate your data collection, Salesflare might be exactly what you need. Don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial by using the link below. Give it a try and see how Salesflare can transform the way you manage and grow your business.